Okay, changing the battery in a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee is pretty easy. First thing we're going to do is remove the key, set that aside. Once we do that, we'll notice there's a little space right here. We can slide in a large flathead screwdriver, give it a twist, and what we're going to do is that's going to allow us to separate these two pieces. Now, with a smaller screwdriver, note the position of the battery, and then we're going to pop that out. Now we'll slide in a 2032 battery. If you don't know what that is, I will put a link in the description. Put that in oriented the same way. Now we're simply going to put the two halves of the key back together. Snap it around. You should hear it click. Once you do that, you can then slide your key back in, and you have successfully changed the battery on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.